Hello everyone, we are now on week 7 of our course in NSTP, National Service Training for Program. So by the way, week 6 is exam week. So that's why this topic is belong to week 7 or lesson number 7. Okay, so the title is team building. So this is what I'm going to share with you, hopefully to help us understand the importance of team building activities. So you might become a leader or a manager, so this is very important. Okay, so let us start first understanding the terms that are being used here. So team, what is a team? It refers to a group of people who are interdependent with respect to information, resources, knowledge, and skills, and who seek to combine their efforts to achieve a common goal. So in a screen, you can find there somehow depicts what a team is all about, no? Differences in resources, in knowledge, in skills, no? In information. So that's what a team is. Now, team building, it refers to the process of turning a group of individual contributing employees into a members into a cohesive team. It also refers to the various activities undertaken to motivate the team members and increase the overall performance of the team. So this is what the meaning of these two terms, team building. Now let us start understanding deeper what is team building. So team building refers to a management technique used for improving the efficiency and performance of the work groups through various activities. So it is some kind of a technique, no? It involves a lot of skills, analysis, and observation for forming a strong and capable team. The whole sole motive is to achieve the organization's vision and objectives. So this is the beauty of team building. It will create a stronger bonds among its members, and at the same time the members respect each other's individual differences. So this is the beauty of, as I have said, the beauty of team building. Let us proceed talking about building a great team, and at the same time the need for team building. Okay, so forming a great team requires a lot of skills and presence of mind. Usually some managers or leaders who specializes in team building skills are hired by companies or organizations in order to build a great team. So these people responsible for team building must be able to find out the strengths and weakness of the team members and create the right mix of people with different skill sets. So these people must focus on developing strong interpersonal relations and trust among the members. And then they must encourage communication and interaction among the members of the team, so that it will also help reduce stress by having team building activities. On their end, they must clearly define the goals and objectives of the organizations where they belong, and at the same time specify the role of each members in the team to direct them towards the achievement of the organizational goals. So if you can really able to do this, as I have said, it requires a lot of skills and presence of mind. Okay, now why team building? No, Is there a need to have team building? So the answer is team building activities are of utmost importance as they help in the overall development of the organization and also improving the team's performance. It strengthens the, as mentioned earlier, the bond among the employees or among the members, and they feel motivated to work and achieve the targets. So that's how important having team building activities must be taken from time to time to encourage the team member to work hard and realize their dreams. Here are the team building process. So team building is not a one-time act. It is a step-by-step process which aims at bringing a desirable change in the organization or in the group of people. So it formed for a particular task or project and are mostly for the short term. So this is really of help in having a project in community projects or whatever projects that involves the effort of the whole team. So here are the building process. Number one, identify the need for team building. So what does this mean? The leader or the manager has to first analyze the, or when you become a leader, you have to analyze first the requirement of a team for completing a particular task. It should find out the purpose of the work to be performed and required skills for the job, its complexity before forming a team. So that's number one. That's the first thing that you have to do, identify the need for team building. Number two, define objectives and required set of skills. So what does this mean? So this is the next thing that you are going to do, the chalking down of the organizational objectives and the skills needed to fulfill it. So what are the objectives? What are the set of required skills? Number three, consider team roles. So as a leader or as the one who initiates the team building activity, you must consider the various aspects like the interactions among the individuals, their roles and responsibilities, what are their strengths and weaknesses, the composition and suitability of the possible team members. So this is the step number three. Number four, you have to determine a team building strategy. As a leader, you have to understand the operational framework well to ensure an effective team building. You must be assured of the objectives, the roles, responsibilities, durations, availability of resources, training, and the flow of information, feedback, and building trust in the team. So this is how we will determine what are the team building strategy. Number five, develop a team of individuals. In this stage, the individuals are collected to form a team together. Each member is made familiar with his roles and responsibilities within the team. Okay. Number six, establish and communicate the rules. So the rules are very important. The rules regarding the reporting of team members, meeting schedules, and decision making within the team are discussed. So that's how important is stage number six. The individuals are encouraged to ask questions and give their views to develop open and healthy communication in the team. Okay. Number seven, you have to identify, at this point, you have to identify individuals' strength. The various team building exercises are conducted to bring out the strengths of the individuals, no? So the activities also helps in familiarizing the team members with each other's strength and weakness. Number 8, be a part of the team. So as a leader, you need to get involved with the team as a member and not as a leader or as a boss, no? Making the individuals realize their importance in the team and treating each member equally is necessary. So the team members should see their leader or as their team leader, mentor, and role model from time to time, and also in joining in that particular activity. Number 9, you have to monitor the performance, no? Monitor performance. This is the number 9 step. That is to check the productivity and performance of the organization or of the team or of the group. So it involves finding out loopholes and the reason for it. So this step is necessary to improve the team's performance and productivity in the long run. So you have to monitor. Do not rely on just simply following the activities without having to look for the loopholes. Okay. Number 10, schedule meetings. One of the most crucial steps is to hold purposeful meetings from time to time to discuss team performance, task-related problems, and discuss the future course of action. Now the last one, the leaders need to evaluate the results and reward the individuals on their contribution and achievement. So finally, at this point, the team is dispersed and on the fulfillment of the objective for which it was formed. Okay, so this is how the process of team building. Here are the advantages of team building. Let us discuss one by one the various benefits of team